fully automatic hydraulic block machine production line includes stacking machine, block making machine, conveying system, pallet loading machine, concrete mixer, batching machine, cement silo. The batching machine adopts an intelligent weighing system, which is accurate, and the JS500 mixer is vigorously stirred and uniform. Automatic pallet loading system saves labor and saves time intelligently. Heat-treated mode, more wear resistance, longer life, human-computer interaction system, simple setup, intelligent system. Electronic components adopt well-known brands for more stable performance. Then each kind of aggregate will be measured accurately by the measuring aggregate system. All material will be transferred by the belt. Another belt conveyor will transfer the mixed even material into the hopper of the host machine. The raw materials for the production of blocks are transported to the hopper of the block machine through the conveyor belt. Under the control of PLC, the pallets are transported to the pallet elevator through the automatic feeding pallet system and lifted up. Then the pallets are sequentially pushed to the pallet box one by one. The pallets enter into the pallet box are sequentially pushed into the block making machine. The block machine adopts a secondary feeding system, which better solves the defects of the raw material curing in advance. The feeding system uses a fine bar for uniform stirring. It adopts double oil cylinder compaction and the vibration mode at the same time, which guarantees that pressure of the block and the compactness is high. The surface is shaped like a rock, can reach 5,000 psi. Whether hollow block or pavement brick, it can withstand an adult standing.